Hot sauce challenge.
Okay, and let me know when you have completely chewed it and swallowed it. And we'll start your
All right.
timer. 60 seconds.
Is that water for me?
When you're done. Or if you surrender.
Is it hot?
That's pretty hot.
Yeah.
What's this one?
This one is called the bomb.
Sweating yet?
Starting to.
Yeah, that one gave me a little tear in my eye.
So you get the worst one over with.
Mhm.
That way the other ones are just.
Oh, is that the hottest one?
Yeah.
Well, okay.
See?
That's warm.
Go ahead and grab your cracker.
Jonah, come cheer your dad on.
What?
Come cheer your dad on. He's eating the hot sauce. Don't run. Don't run.
There you go. Let me know when you're finished. Audrey, would you take the lid off of that? Actually, shake it up real quick for me. Let me know when you're ready.
All right.
Nose running?
Yeah.
Nose is running.
That one's good.
I know. I like that one. It's got a good flavor. And you're obviously used to hot stuff because you could taste it.
What was that?
Eyes are watering.
A lot of people get the hiccups. I haven't seen
The
that.
hiccups? Your face is turning red.
I bet.
You're almost done. Go ahead and grab your cracker. 10 seconds.
You guys have a Facebook?
Mhm.
Okay, we'll tag you guys on it.
Yeah, it's a hot spot.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely tag us on it.
Let me know
Hello.
when you're finished.
Yeah, some samples, so feel free to
Alright.
try everything.
Oh,
Are you crying?
You got 60 seconds.
yeah.
As long as you don't throw up, I think you'll be all right.
Is that sweat?
Sweat and tears.
Mm-hmm. Pretty hot.
Yeah. Oh. That second one was really good, though.
It is.
I like that.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, let's get a close-up of those eyes. Yeah, yeah. Oh, tears going.
Oh, boy.
You want to go swimming now?
No.
Drink the pool.
I do want my favorite swimming pool.
Mm.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
4, 3, 2, 1. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Some water.
What size of shirt do you wear?
2X.
Kicks.
I don't know if we have. Do we have any 2X's?
I think so.
Oh, we will definitely get you one.
Oh,
All
thank
right.
you.
Now I gotta get my camera.
All right.
Woohoo!